Sara's story of learning English. Hello everyone, welcome to your English practice and learning journey. This is a short story about a student who learns English step by step. She starts shy and afraid, but with practice and patience, becomes confident. Sara was a shy student who always felt afraid to speak English. In class, she understood a little, but she was scared of making mistakes. One day, she decided to change her life. She started watching English cartoons and movies with subtitles. At first, she didn't understand much, but she listened carefully to the sounds and repeated words every day. She wrote new words in a small notebook and practiced them in front of the mirror. Sara also used her phone to learn English. She watched short videos, listened to English songs, and followed English pages on social media. Every night, she spoke to herself in English, even if it was just simple sentences like, "I am a student. I love learning English. Tomorrow will be better." After months of practice, Sara became confident. She could speak, understand, and express herself in English. She learned that consistency, patience, and practice were the secret. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more inspiring stories and fun English learning content.